Hey guys, welcome to Career Spring, and today we're going to talk about why your resume is getting rejected and how to fix it for remote jobs. If you've been applying to remote jobs and hearing nothing back, your resume is probably the problem, and most people don't even realize why. I've worked in HR, and I'm going to show you exactly why resumes get rejected and how to fix yours so you actually start getting interviews. The real problem. Here's the truth. Most resumes aren't bad because of lack of experience. They're bad because they don't match the job, especially for remote roles like customer service, admin, or support. Recruiters are scanning for very specific things, and if they don't see it immediately, they move on. Generic resume. Most people use the same resume for every job. That's one of the biggest mistakes. If the job is asking for customer support, communication, and problem solving, but your resume just lists random duties, it won't stand out. How do we fix this? Tailor your resume. Instead, you want to mirror the job description. Look at the posting, pick out the key skills, and make sure those exact words or similar ones are clearly shown in your resume. Mistake number 2, listing duties instead of results. Saying responsible for answering calls is not enough. Everyone says that. Recruiters want to see what you actually did. How do we fix this? Show impact. Instead, say something like handled 50 plus customer inquiries daily and improved response time. Now you're showing value, not just tasks. Mistake number 3, not highlighting relevant experience. For remote jobs, especially customer service or admin roles, people forget that everyday jobs count. Retail, food service, even helping customers in person, that all matters. How do we fix this? Translate your experience. If you worked in retail, you already have customer service experience. You just need to present it in the right way. An example: assisted customers with product questions and resolved issues in a fast paced environment. See, there you go. This next one is why a lot of people never even get seen. Mistake number 4, failing ATS, Applicant Tracking Systems. Most companies use software to scan resumes before a human even sees them. If your resume doesn't include keywords from the job description, it gets filtered out. How to fix this? Use keywords. Take keywords directly from the job posting, like customer support, data entry, or communication, and naturally include them in your resume. Simple. Mistake number 5, messy or hard to read. Recruiters spend about 5 to 7 seconds scanning your resume. If it's cluttered or hard to read, they move on. How do we fix this? Keep it clean. Use a simple format, clear headings, and keep it easy to scan. Your resume should be readable in seconds. The jobs I showed in my last video, customer service, admin, support roles, are all attainable, but only if your resume clearly shows that you can do the job. If you fix these mistakes, your chances of getting interviews go up immediately, and most people don't fix them. That's your advantage. For more job tips and real opportunities, make sure you like, share, and subscribe to Career Spring.